Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the HP EliteBook X G2i 14 driver. So first open any browsers to Google search box to type like that, and after that you have to type mandatory this driver. Okay, and then this is first link support.hp.com, this official website. Okay, and just click on it. Okay, so this is your laptop again, you can see, and this is the model number. Okay, scroll down and select the operating system Windows 10, and then also select, and if you are using different versions it's okay, otherwise you can select only Windows 11, and after that click to submit. Scroll down and then extract keyboard mouse input device, extract touchpad driver and click to download. So it is 5 MB, it will complete within 1 second, 1 to 2 second, and it will show like this, and just single click to after now completed download. So you can see touchpad driver. Okay, and then click to next. This is installations, you minimize, it will show easily. Okay, so then click to next, I accept, then next, and click to next. Now it is installed, and then one time restart your system, and after the restart please check it your issue resolved or not. Okay, thank you.